In this video, you are going to see how to create or remove a secure folder in your Motorola mobile. Open the app list on your mobile and choose Moto Secure app. Here, select the secure folder option. Now, click on continue, then press the side arrow key, then click on get started. Now, you need to unlock your mobile. After that, it shows like this. You need to choose a locker for your secure folder. Either it is a pattern or pin or password. After adding the essential credits, click on next and then confirm. Now you successfully created the secure folder in your Motorola mobile. Now to add any applications, click on the plus button on the bottom right side and select the apps. If in case you want to add any media files, documents or videos, you can add them by selecting the add files option here. I will show you one more important option for the secure folder. This option is related to when to lock this secure folder. Click on the three dashed lines on the top left side and choose more settings. Here select the secure folder timeout option. And now from here you can check which option you needed. I prefer to use the first option, also called lock immediately when the secure folder is minimized. This option improves your security even more for your secure folder. Still, there are more options are available here. These all are self-explanatory. Once you click that option, you will know what it is all about. If in case you want to delete the secure folder, after going into the more settings, you find the option in the last. From here, you can uninstall the secure folder from your Motorola mobile. So this is how you can enable or install or turn on the secure folder in your Motorola mobile.